What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is Tuesday, September 1st, and today we are going to be going over some big news and updates about Amazon. If you are not familiar with my channel, a few weeks ago I did have you guys choose on two different stocks what I should pick, either Amazon or Google. You guys picked Amazon, so let me just show you how that's going so far. I did do this about 2 weeks ago, so I did buy one share of Amazon for $3,211. So far, so good. I am up 8.94%, $287, and this is just in 2 weeks that it's already going up. So let's check out today how it's going. It's up 1.38%. For the week, it is up 4.37. For the month, it's up 11.37. The 3 month is up 42%. The year is 97.55, and the 5 year is 577%, which is absolutely crazy. So let's just go over some news for you. There's three main topics that I have to go over. The first one is Amazon did receive on Monday approval from the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration, to operate its fleet of Prime Air delivery drones. So this will basically enable Amazon to deliver packages to customers the same day. So the main vision they have, and it's called Prime Air, which is actually a really good name. So Prime Air is to deliver packages within 30 minutes. So that's their main goal. So they said that the drones can last about 15 miles. So when they leave the fulfillment center, so they have about 15 miles to go here and there. So if you can order something and get it within 30 minutes, that's pretty crazy because a lot of people forget things, groceries, forget tools, need a part, and they want it same day. And to be able to get that delivered to you at your door within 30 minutes, it definitely will be a benefit. I am very curious on how much it will cost, though, to do the Prime Air, but it's in the right direction getting approval from the FAA. So they will start to test deliveries first. They're obviously not going to just start delivering people packages all over the place. They said in areas where low population density is, and the packages for now will weigh about 5 pounds or less. So the next thing that's happening with Amazon is it is opening its first online only Whole Foods location in Brooklyn. So it is not open to the public. It's only online orders. So you order it online and they will deliver it to you. The reason why they're doing this is because they said that online grocery sales has tripled year over year in the second quarter. So if this is a thing that could be in the future for people not leaving their house to go to the grocery store, just having it ordered and delivered. They're already delivering packages, they're doing air drones. So it's so many things that they're doing right now. So this could definitely be the next step of grocery stores. So the next thing they have in their grocery stores now, they are trying this out in Los Angeles that is opening later this year. So it's smart grocery carts called dash carts. So this allows customers to skip the checkout line. So like I said, they're testing it in Los Angeles. It'll open later this year. So the grocery cart will be equipped with cameras, sensors, a smart display, even a scale to weigh like produce and everything like that. So when you get your groceries, you put it in the shopping cart and it'll automatically add your items. It'll give you a price. You can weigh, produce, and then it'll give you a price that way. And then all you had to do was set up a card uh, for payment. And I think you have to be an Amazon Prime member as well and have the app on your phone. But it previously set that up. And then you put the groceries in your cart. You walk out the door through the little scanner, and then you're good to go. It automatically charges you, no wait in line, and they email you a receipt. So Amazon is basically taking over the world right now with the air drones, the grocery stores, just with all this technology. And I actually wouldn't be surprised if they come out with their own type of credit card also, like how Apple is, just because they own so many different things. And if you order packages through Amazon using an Amazon credit card to get a certain percentage off wouldn't be a bad idea. I'm pretty sure half, if not more, of people that has Amazon Prime would already sign up for the credit card. So that's all the news and updates right now for Amazon. Please, guys, I'm trying to get to 100 subscriptions. So if you do like what you hear, Please subscribe, comment below, hit the like. Thank you guys. You guys have a great day.